Hello guys, welcome to Peer Learning. I am Pradimna Wolfcon and today we will be discussing the chapter Circle of Class 9. Okay, let's just begin. So first of all we'll discuss some terms, basic terms discuss koriম our exercise. First exercise আমি solve koriম, right? So first of all let's just go detail আমি অলপ লাহে লাহে যাম প্ৰত্যেকখিনি বস্তু ভালদৰে বুজিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম so first আমি circle বুলি ক'লে আমি কি মনত লাগিব circle definition so এই circle definition দিয়া আছে আমি পঢ়ি লম এবাৰ the collection of all the points in a plane which are the fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle the collection of all points in a plane ইয়াত আমি যদি plane consider কৰো this laptop screen will be the plane yet I'm right so this laptop screen is the plane so what they saying there collection of all points in a plane points as I mean consider point again points as a points in which are a fixed distance from a fixed point I made a fixed point fully consider koilu or let's say this is fixed distance I mean fixed koilu distance to this distance is fixed constant change nahi constant hoy yaba iman leki jaba jodi distance to jokhiba try kora same paba আৰু সেই যেতিয়া সেই point বোৰক তোমালোকে collect কৰি লবা then this would basically form the circle similarly let's see this is a collection of million of points right million of points whole here point here we have a distance to constant our distance to constant our and a fixed point is called the center this fixed point the fixed point of the key center will come let's say this O so O is the center and the fixed distance is radius so OP consider koise P to me yet no is anywhere this can be P this can be P anywhere so this fixed distance is known as radius this is the radius of the circle now note that the line segment joining the center at any point of the circle is also called the radius of the circle this is radius radius is used in two sense in the sense of a line segment and also sense of its length radio আমি দুটা sense use কৰিব পাৰো this is a line segment আমি জানো but basically radius to your length to represent কৰে it also represents the length of the line segment okay now you are already familiar with some of the following concepts from class 6 আমি শিকিছো radius diameter chord etc আমি আগৰ পৰা শিকিছো right now this thing is important the circle divides the plane on which it lies in three parts interior exterior on the circle আমি basically কি কৰিম বুজিবলৈ আমি আকৌ draw কৰি লম basically this let's say this is the plane and let's draw the circle so this is the circle right okay fine so let's say that this is a plane so ইয়াত কি হ'ব circle ইয়াত cut কৰিলে this is the plane basically this is the plane এটো plane হ'ব plane consider কৰিছো the plane divides the so the circle divides the plane into the three parts interior ভিতৰত circle ভিতৰত this is the boundary circle the boundary নিচিনা কাম কৰিব so this will be interior মানে কি ভিতৰত circle to ভিতৰত this is interior so next things come is the circle on the circle these points every point on this every point each and every point will be neither on the interior neither on the exterior so this is on the circle right and this is exterior exterior right this is the basic definition because I'm a piece of solve question right this is so the circle and its interior make up the circular part basically a part to the circle on the circle circle and the interior part this part basically covers of the circular region due to circular region will come basically okay this will be basically a circular region rough idea so next we will be talking about next we'll be talking about if we take 2 points P and Q on a circle then a line segment joining PQ is called the chord of a circle so if we consider any points on this circle let's consider this point P consider this point Q so this P point and the Q point when we join these 4 points, a line segment would form, and this line segment is better known as just a second. So this line segment is better known as chord. I mean class 6 or 6 7 right? What is chord? The line segment joining 2 points in a circle. Duta point, any 2 points. Consider P, Q. This is also chord because these two are any points on the circle. But exterior of a that will have a different name. Right? So the chord which passes through the center of a circle is called diameter. Now let us consider this diagram. Here যদি আমি center पर pass করে দিও, center पर যদি আমি any diagonal, consider any diagonals passing to the center. So basically this would be known as this would be known as basically this would be known as diameter. Any line, center पर pass कोई any line passing to the center would be known as the diameter. Center ID pass কৰিব লাগিব, তেতিয়া তাক diameter বুলি কোৱা হ'ব. The diameter is the longest chord and all diameter have the same length. Diameter is the longest chord. আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ chord আৰু this is the same length. Same length হ'ব. That is obvious. Okay, next আমি কিছুমান বিশেষ টাৰ্মৰ বিষয়ে কথা পাতিম. Next is arc. Arc টাৰ্মটো তোমালোকে ইউজ কৰি আছা. What is this? A piece of a circle. আমি এনেকানা any circle, let's draw it. Any circle, so this is a circle. So আমি কি কৰিলো, দুটা পইণ্ট কনসিডাৰ কৰিলো আৰু আমি এনেকৈ কৰিলো কি এই সাৰ্কেলটো পৰা আমি এই পইণ্ট দুটা কাট কৰি দিলো, এই পাৰ্টটো আমি কাট কৰি দিলো, পোৰ্শন আমি কাট কৰি দিলো. So this portion is cut, so this would look like this, AB. So this is known as arc. This would be known as arc. This would be known as arc, right? So this is basically known as arc. So this is a piece of circle between 2 points is called arc. I basically cut korila. Similarly, this is also arc. So this is major arc, this is minor arc. Length to be see. So this is major, this is minor. Similarly, major arc, minor arc, and this is basically represented by AB, and this symbol is this arc symbol. Okay. Now basically, when this AB point, okay, let's do it here. So basically, is it a point to the diameter like PQ. So let's say this PQ. When these 2 points would lie in a diameter and you cut it out, so this would look like this and this would look like this. So this part will be both part will be known as semicircle, because we know that the diameters is the longest chord. This would be in the middle part, so this would divide them equally, so there will be no major arc and no minor arc, so that be semicircle. We can call it a semicircle, and the length of the complete circle or complete boundary of the circle is known as circumference. So this is the term circumference. Everybody knows that, right? I mean, whole circumference, so 2 pi r. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. In circumference means the boundary, the length of the boundary. A good boundary to length kiman. It can be circumference. The region between a chord and either of its arc is called a segment. So what is a segment basically? So if we consider this diagram, so let's erase it out. So basically যেতিয়া আমি এটো solve কৰি দিম, solve নহয়, যেতিয়া আমি basically the region between a chord and either of its arc is called a segment. So this part is called a segment and this part is called a segment. These are both equal segment because this is the diameter. But if we consider this one, this should be a segment and this should be also be a segment. Here we have shown that, right? PQ is a chord where we divide koyu. So the part with the razors which has more area, or simply where the length of the arc is more, will have more area, that is known as major segment. Sorry, the minor segment will be the one which has the where the arc has the lesser length. যোনটো arcor less length of তাক আমি minor segment বুলি কম, right? Similarly, the what will be minor sector and major sector? So the region between an arc and the two radii joining the center and the endpoints is called sector. So this will be radii. OP or OQ দুটা radii, তাৰ মাজৰ area খিনি joined by the arc is known as and similarly this part will be known as the major sector because this has more area and the length of the arc is more. So depends on the arc length. যোনটো arc or length বেছি হ'ব সেইটোৱে major sector হ'ব, আৰু যোনটো arc or length to কম হ'ব তাৰ minor sector হ'ব, আৰু কেতিয়াবা equal হ'ব পাৰে না major sector minor sector হ'ব পাৰে, যেতিয়া এইটো semi circle হ'ব তেতিয়া এইটো equal হ'ব. Basically semi circular region ইয়াত কোৱা আছে দেখিছা নহয়, both segments and both have the same and each is known as, যোনটো কৈছো ইয়াৰ sector আৰু segmentor টো একেই হ'ব, যেতিয়া মাজত ৰাখি দিম তেতিয়া segmentor আৰু major segment or minor segment of value to সমান হৈ যাব, right? So this is the basics. The basic terminology আমি radius, diameter, arc, segment, তাৰপিছত circumference গোটেইখিনি শিকিলো আমি। ইয়াৰ পিছত directly question solve কৰিব পাৰিম because nothing more is given here. So what we will do here, we will do it, shift it here, solve the questions. This is very easy. The center of a circle lies interior exterior কোনটো ভাবা নিজে ভাবা। So basically this is the circle, right? The center of a circle, center to কি আছিলে, this center will always lie here. So this is what, this is basically interior, right? That's a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radial size of a, আমাক কি কৈছে এটা circle আছে, a point whose distance from the center of a circle is always greater than, আমি জানো the radius is the maximum distance, fixed distance, তাতকে বেছি হ'বই নোৱাৰে। So যদি এটা point আছে আৰু তাৰ distance to point আছে, any point আছে, তাৰ distance to যদি radius তকে বেছি হয়, that should be always lie outside the circle, exterior. The longest chord of a circle is a diameter of a circle. আমি এটা definition কৈ আহিছো, an arc is a trace when its ends are at the diameter. An arc is a semicircle. আমি basically discuss কৰিলো এইটো point, right? A segment of a circle in the region between an arc and the segment of a circle is a region between an arc and কি এইটো chord মানে আমি discuss কৰিলো chord, ইয়াতে আছে segment chord, right? A circle divides a plane on which lies in 3 parts. Next question is write true or false, give reason to query লিখি লবা হা। So first is line segment joining the center of any 2 points on the circle is the radius of the circle. The first point to question is that a line segment joining the center of any 2 points, center to any point of the circle, true হয় না? Just verify কৰি লোৱা। This is a circle, let's consider this is the center. So the line joining the center to any points, the line joining to center to any points is known as what? This is enhanced known as radius, right? So this is true, this is true, this is a definition of a radius, so there is no any reason for it. A circle has only finite number of equal chords, that is a false. It is a false statement. You can draw infinitely many equal chords. For example, you can check it for the diameter. You can draw infinitely many diameters. If check it out like this, you can draw infinitely many diameters like this. So this will keep on going. You can draw infinitely many because through a point there can be infinitely many lines, right? And there is only one point. It is a center, so there will be infinitely many lines passing through the infinitely equal chords passing through the center. So now number 3, if a circle is divided into 3 equal parts, this is a major arc. This is a false statement. This is not the major arc. Each is a minor arc. True. Sorry, it's false. Because if you cut it out, then all 3 parts of the arc will be less than 120 degree. This is one of the reasons. Sorry, not 120 degree, less than 180 degrees. So from my major arc, one should be more than 180 degree and other should be less than 180 degree. But here all of them will be 120 degrees, so all of them will be called uh, minor arcs. Okay, remember that. Minor arcs. A chord of a circle is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle. This is true, we have discussed before. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. False. This is a segment. Sector is the between the radius and the arc is a plane figure. This is true. So we have completed this.